I got this 13 by 4 closure because I could not get the exact length I wanted. So I got this one. I'm still going to cut it. As you can see, it's already mapped out where my lining of the hair of the ventilation is going to end. So as you can see, the lining is quite faint. So I'm just going to go over and cut it and make it 2 by 13 inches. Okay, so that way I'm going to know where I'm going to be ventilating on, and I don't want to ventilate the full frontal lace. So this is what we have at the end of the day. So you can actually get the one that you can just make and cut yourself, but I decided to use this one because it already had the map out lining on where the hairline is going to stop, if that makes sense. Okay, so if you don't know how to ventilate, what you simply do is to take your ventilating pin, just pass it through a hole at a time. Make sure you're not clipping two holes at the same time. So I'll just make this thing closer so that you can see what I'm trying to explain. So you take a hole at a time, put your hair and pass it through, and then just turn over like so. Just continue the process. Take your ventilating pin, pass it through a hole at a time, then put your hair and then just turn over, and like so the process just goes on and on and on. So, and when you are doing that, you're going to ensure that you are taking a hole at a time. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please like this video, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I get to post a new video. As I was saying, guys, so you take a hole at a time, and then you leave, when you ventilate one hole, you leave the next hole, you move over to the next one, and then when you're done with that entire line, you leave a line and then move over to the next line and take a hole, and after ventilating on a hole, you leave a space, a hole, and then move over to the next hole, just like so. The process just goes on and on and on and on like that. So I'm already done with the ventilating process here already. So this is the net I'm going to be using, the wig net I'm going to be using for this hair. And see the full lace frontal. Okay, see the full lace I've already done. So we're going to be placing it, and from here, just watch this video closely. It's very, very self-explanatory. You would understand, and please do well to like this video at the end of the day. Please, have you liked this video, like this video, and guys, do not forget to share with your loved ones. Give this video a thumbs up so that others will get to see it, and do not forget to subscribe, guys. Is an expression kinky in color 30, and then the crochet pin I'm going to be using for this hair. So I'm already done fooling this wig, okay, with the kinking hair. So what you just want to do next is to trim. You want to trim to give that even look at the end of the day. So you trim on your mannequin head, and you can as well trim to suit your face on your head after you have finished wearing the wig. Okay, so this is what you need to do to give that smooth feel on the wig. So straight out from the mannequin head, here is how the cap is looking, the wig cap is looking, guys. So I haven't removed the excess. I need to cut that part out to make it lay flat while it's being worn. So we're just going to use our scissors to cut out this part of the wig cap. So we'll just cut that out. As soon as we're done cutting it out, this is how it's going to be looking. It's going to be looking so smooth like this. As you can see how it's looking, guys. Inside is so neat. The hairline is giving realistic already. And I tried this wig in different styles, and guys, you're just going to comment what style is your favorite. You're just going to tell me what style is your favorite, what style you love the most in all of this one, all these styles, and I would be in the comment section. See you guys in my next